Hello viewers, you are welcome to my channel. Presenting to you this video, I'm your tutor Patrick Divine. Okay, so today I just want to explain to you this question on coordinate geometry. Alright, we'll solve together this question coordinate geometry. Specifically, it is for those equations that are parallel. Okay, so when you just see that two equations are parallel, so this concept, make sure that you understand it properly. Okay, when two equations are parallel, one thing that you need to take note of is that they have the same gradient. Okay, when they are parallel, they have the same gradient. It doesn't matter there are three equations, there are four equations, for as long as they are parallel to each other, they have the same gradient. Parallel, I mean the equations of the line that goes like this. Okay, they can go like that. Okay, they can go like this, like that. They are parallel. Parallel lines, they'll never meet. Okay, so the gradient of this line is equal to the gradient of that line. The gradient of this line is equal to that line. Okay, so whenever they are parallel, just know that they have the same gradient. That you should know. Okay, so if you are new to this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Subscribe so that you may receive more content. Okay, so that you'll be notified whenever I post any content on YouTube. You'll be able to be notified. All right, so we'll say solutions. Okay, so now this question, it's saying that the equation A, okay, the equation A is this. All right, 3x plus 2y is equal to 10. That is the equation A, equation of the line A. Okay, so equation of the line B is parallel to A and passes through these points 4, 6. Find the equation of the line B. Okay, so they are saying that the equation A, so there are two equations, there is A and B. Okay, equation of the line, there is A and B. Let's say A, this is A. Okay, so this is A and this is B. That is what they are saying. They are saying that they are parallel. Okay, they are parallel. They just go in the same direction, but they will never meet. Okay, so now what you need to know is that they have, so this is B, they have the same gradient. Okay, they have the same gradient. Okay, so they're asking you to find the equation B when you are given 2 points. So these points, they are for B. Okay, and this is the equation of the line of what? Of A. So now what you are supposed to do is to find the gradient of the equation of the line A. Okay, when you have the gradient of that, it means that the gradient is the same as the gradient of B. Okay, so how do you find the gradient when you're given that equation? So this is the equation A, so this is the equation of A, so it is 3x plus 2y is equal to 10. Okay, so how can you find the gradient? So a gradient is a number that is attached to letter what? X. Okay, but when you need to arrange this equation, you need to make y as the subject of the formula, because the equation of the line formula, the standard formula is what? Is y is equal to mx plus c. So the equation has to be in this form. Okay, it has to be in that form. So you need to arrange it in this form whereby y is the subject of the formula. Okay, or should I say y is before the equation, is before the equal sign. Okay, so let me just write it here. So we're saying that y, this is the standard equation of the line, so it is mx plus c. this is the formula for the equation of the line. Okay, so we need to arrange it in this form. So we'll say y should be the subject, right? So it will be 2y is equal to, so this comes this side, okay? So this comes this side. So mean that it will be negative 3x then plus 10, like that, okay? But if we look at this equation, this is the standard equation. It shows that y is supposed to be alone as y, not 2y, not 3y, not 4y, not any number attaching to y. So the coefficient of y has to be 1, okay? So meaning that you need to divide by 2 by 2 by 2, okay, so that y can be alone, okay? So mean that this will go and that will go, meaning that we have what? We have y is equal to, so it will be negative 3 over 2x, okay, negative 3 over 2x, then plus 2 into 10, it is 5, okay? So this is how the equation is supposed to be in standard form. All right, so now what you need to know, when you arrange this equation, you need to find which one is the gradient. So the gradient of the equation of the line is the number attached to letter x, okay, when the equation is in standard form. So the equation is in standard form. So what is that number which is attached to letter x? So the number that is attached to letter x, it is negative 2 over 3. So that is the gradient. So gradient is denoted by letter m. This you should know. So say m is equal to negative 3 over 2. That is the gradient. Negative 3 over 2. So these questions will always come in paper 1. Make sure that you understand. Watch this full video. Don't jump. Just watch the full video. Okay. So now, this gradient of line A, we've said that it is equal to the equation, it is equal to the gradient of line B. So mean that they share the same gradient, okay? Equation A and equation B, they share the same gradient. They have the same gradient, okay? Mean they said that they are parallel, okay? So when they are parallel, meaning that they have the same gradient, okay? So this is also a gradient of A and a gradient of what? Of B. Okay, so now you have two things now for B. So for B, equation B, you have the coordinates. Okay, so you have the coordinates, we have 4, 6, okay, as well as the gradient you have. It is what? The gradient, it is negative 3 over 2 for B, okay? So now, when you have the gradient and the coordinates, you need to find it is easy to find the equation of the line. So how do you do that? The formula for finding the equation of the line, you can use either this one or this one. Y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1, okay? So let me write it here. So y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. So you can use this one or that one. You can find the equation of B, okay? So here we'll say this is y1, or this is x1, this is y1, okay? x1, y1. So you can actually substitute the values. So we'll say y, okay, y like that, then y1, where is y1? So y1 you get from here, y1 is 6, so to be 6 equal to m. You know that m, it is negative 3 over 2, that is the gradient. So you just get negative 3 over 2, then open bracket x minus x1. What is our x1? Our x1 is what? 4. So you just get the 4, you put there like that. Then you solve the equation. So you say y minus 6 is equal to, when you multiply negative 3 over 2 times x, it will be negative 3 over 2x. Okay, like that. Then negative times negative, it is what? It is positive. Negative times negative, it is positive. Then this 3 over 2 times 4, this is just 3 over 2 times 4. And when you are dealing with such kind of multiplication, you divide 2 into 2, it's 1. 2 into 4, it's what? It's 2. So mean that there is just 3 times 2. 3 times 2, it is 6. So you put the 6 like that. Okay. So from here, you know the standard equation, it is this one. So meaning that you need to make the equation standard. Y has to be the subject of the formula. So y has to remain alone. Okay. So meaning that when you are making y the subject, the 6 goes this side. So you say y is equal to 6, it will go that side, so it will be negative 3 over 2x plus 6. Then this is negative 6, then it will be plus what? Plus 6. Okay, so you can actually simplify this. 6 plus 6 is 12, so you just put positive 12. Okay, so it will be positive 12, and that is the equation of B. So this is the equation of what? Of B. You found the equation of B. So that is how you find the equation. So the concept is, you need to know that two equations that are parallel, they have the same gradient. Okay, they have the same gradient. Whenever the equations are parallel, just know that they have the same gradient. Okay. The other thing you need to know how to find the equation of the line, the formula is this one or this one, but you need to arrange the equation in form of this. Okay, in form of the standard equation. Thank you for watching. I've been your tutor, Patrick Divine. So for those that need online tuitions, you can call me on 0975 334778. Okay, so that is the line that you can use, 0975 334778. So for online tuitions, WhatsApp me or call. Then if you are in Kabwe and you need tuitions, you can contact me on this same line. We offer physical tuitions in mathematics, chemistry, science, okay, additional mathematics, as well as biology. So you can WhatsApp me on that same line. Thank you for watching. I've been your tutor, Patrick Divine. Enjoy your lesson.